Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs, so messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And don't forget to follow si Perception po, ha? And syempre, sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. And yes, katulad kay Perception, may tawag dyan, i-follow nyo din, ha? Oo, nawala pa ako. O, diba? Oo, i-follow nyo din, ha? Si Kuya Dingsi. Okay, so yung ating mga evil eye items, all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Ito po yung merong initial. Ito yung wala. Okay, so dalawa yung ating bracelet pagdating sa evil eye. Okay, so dalawa siya. Same unisex. Okay, ito is garterized. Ito naman po is adjustable. Okay, so ito, may re-recommend ko to sa younger ages. So, younger ages, opo. Yung pinaka-young o pinaka-young pa, no? Oo. Ano ba? 8 years old, 8 years old. So, kailangan po ibigay yung measurements po, ha? Okay? So, yun lang. Pagdating dyan sa ating bracelet. So, ito ang ating evil eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and ang tawag dito? Adjustable. Oo. By the way, ito po yung may initial po, ha? Nasabi ko na ba? Para ako nalulutang. Okay. So, ang ating evil eye necklace naman. So, ganito po, ha? Ang ating evil eye necklace. Hang on. Okay, so bakit ka nabubuhol? Okay, so evil eye necklace. Yan, okay. So, diba? May pag-ikot pa siya. So, ganyan po ha, ang ating evil eye necklace, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay? So, anyway, you can, use another or other, tawag dyan? Chain, okay? So, pagdating naman sa ating, meron tayong new item, sa mga bago pa dyan, sa mga kakarating lamang dito sa ating channel, no? So, we have this, love bracelet. So, single, may mga problem, pagdating sa relasyon, mga ganyan, okay? Pwede sa ito, okay? So, meron itong mga precious stones, okay, na pwedeng mag-provide ng happiness, pwedeng mag-provide ng harmony, okay, pagdating sa union, okay. So, sa mga single, may hahanap ka nito, okay, makakapagpa-boost, parang gano'n, parang booster, ng iyong energy, ha. So, ito naman po is hindi na adjust, okay, hindi siya na-adjust, hindi rin ito garterized, okay. So, ang length po nito is 7 inches from here sa kanyang lock hanggang dito, okay. So, meron siyang pendant, ito, heart-shaped pendant. So, parang para sa love lang po ito, ha, para sa love lang, okay. So, makakapag-provide ng, yun nga, kung anong gusto mo pagdating sa love, okay, pagdating sa relationship, okay. So, ganito siya kapag nakasuot, okay. So, ganyan po, ha, meron siyang, naka-bling na ganyan, bling-bling, diba, this is so nice, okay. So, yun ang aking masasabi pagdating dito sa love bracelet natin. Okay, and this is made to order po, ha. May langaw, okay. So, naka-box ang ating, tawag dyan. Bakit gano'n? Nalulutang ako. Ang ating love bracelet. Okay po, naka-box and made to order po, ha. So, ito na ang ating granter. So, si granter, non-tarnish ang kanyang chain. Okay, so, hypoallergenic rin. And, 20 inches long po, ha. Itong chain niya, 20 inches long. Okay, so, pagdating naman sa kanyang pendant, okay, so, acrylic po ito, ha. Okay, parang merong glass. Yan, kung makikita nyo. Okay, harap at ganun din sa likod. Okay po. So, made to order rin ang ating granter necklace. Para saan po yan, madam? Oo. Para makapagpag-grant. Oo, taga-grant ng wish mo, desires mo, kung ano man. Okay, you can wish for someone, parang ganon. Okay, so if you deserve kung ano man yung wini-wish mo, hindi ka nito paghihintayin. No downtime pagdating kay granter. Okay, ayaw natin nun. Oo, para naman sa'yo bakit ka paghihintayin pa? No, so nakabox din ang ating granter necklace. Okay. So, lahat-lahat ng ating item, kung inyo pong ipangre-regalo, ibibigay, we need their names. Okay? Yung kung sino man yung pagbibigyan nyo, kailangan po namin ng pangalan nila. Okay po? Yes. Kailangan. Okay? So, kung iyo naman, kailangan din namin ng pangalan mo, syempre. So, yun lang. Kung may mga tanong pa, message lang kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Thank you. Okay. So, let's start the reading with air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Ano bang meron? Anong meron? Para sa mga air signs. Anong kailangang malaman? Mensahe? Okay. Let's see. Air signs. The Three of Cups in reverse. What's with that? Okay, the Three of Cups in reverse. The Seven of Cups in reverse. Oh, bakit meron dito may nararamdaman ako dito na hindi pa rin kontento? Hindi makontento. Meron dito nalulungkot sa kung anong meron. Pwedeng water sign to, someone. Okay, this is not your energy. This is not. Iba sa inyo kung anong meron pagdating sa trabaho. Sa tingin ko, hindi pa rin kayo nakakontento. So, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng improvement, kailangan umalis ka sa kung anong meron ka. Comfort zone mo. Lumabas ka sa comfort zone mo. Like that. Okay, the Star. Tutulungan ka naman, actually. Kailangan mo lang din effort. Okay? You have this person from the past still eyeing on you. Okay? Still like you, still loves you. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, some of you, this is your friend na pwedeng nagkakagusto sa'yo. Okay? Someone na nakakasama mo, iisa yung environment, parang may mga pinupuntahan kayo na pwedeng nagkakasama kayo nitong taong to, and may gusto sa'yo to. Okay? A friend of yours. Oo. Yeah, and nakatago siya, the Sun in reverse. Anyway, what else for air signs? The Moon. What's with the Moon? Okay, this is secrets. Oh, again, the Sun. I think there's a surprise coming in. A surprise. I don't know what. Yeah, surprise. The Moon, the Sun, Star. Hindi ko alam kung sino nakakuha nito kahapon. Pero may nakakuha ng ganito. Sabi ko, parang nasa yun na lahat. Oo, universe. Hindi ko alam may nakuha kong ganitong energy. Magkakasama yung Moon, Sun, and yung Star. Okay, so I think, for me, this is the right timing for mag-wish. Oo, kasi naka-align. Parang may naka-align para sa'yo. Okay, the world, universe. No, diba? World na! Okay. Some of you, meron ditong sa tingin ko, may mga hinihintay kayo. And yes, parang parating. Okay? And this is like a surprise. See? The Nine of Cups. Energy ng what? Wish fulfillment for some of you. Yeah. This is so nice. Some of you may mga emosyon na nakatago, ha? Oo, from this Leo and Pisces. I don't know why. Bakit nila tinatago yun? Okay, some of them takot silang ma-reject. What else? The Five of Swords in reverse. Okay. What's that? Five of Swords in reverse. The Justice. Something na may mga legal issue. May chance na sabihin natin parang maaayos. Okay? May mga maaayos, may mga matatapos. Yeah, strength is here. Okay? So, may mga mafi-fix na mga legal matter, legal issues. Okay? May mga mapapasayo, ari-arian. This is specific po ha. May mga mapapasayo, ari-arian. Some of you, this is may mga inilalaban kayong mana, kung ano man. May mga inilalaban kayo. Yes. Pwedeng makuha mo, pwedeng manalo ka sa kaso, kung ano man yan, na ipinapaprocess mo illegally. Okay? So, there. That's nice though. Next. Okay. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Anong meron for fire signs? Let's see. Fire signs. Oh, the Nine of Cups. Energy ng wish fulfillment. Okay. Happiness. Oh, the Ace of Swords. Some of you, pwedeng makakuha ka ng isang balita na magpapasaya talaga sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, this is like a promotion pagdating dyan. Okay? Pagdating dito sa Ace of Swords. Someone's feelings, emotion. Pwedeng may magsasabi ng totoong emosyon sa'yo kasi kailangan nila dahil bigat na sila. Hindi ko na to kaya, fire sign. Kailangan ko na tong sabihin sa imo. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, this is like energy ng award. Okay? Award. So, some of you, pwedeng makakuha ng pay raise, a raise. Okay? Mga ganon. Merit. Yeah. Kung ano man yung mga pinagtrabahuhan mo, fire sign, may magandang reward na kapalit. Yun na lang. Okay, so there. What else for fire signs? Let's see. Okay, the Knight of Cups. You have this. Some of you makakuha ka ng offer. No, pagdating sa isang person, like a cup of love, may mag-o-offer sa'yo ng cup of love nila. The Hermit. May nagpaplano maging open, actually. Yeah, they're planning. Okay? Someone is thinking about leveling up pagdating sa isang connection. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng yun nga, may magsasabi na ng totoong emosyon para sa'yo, a Virgo, a water sign. Okay? May mga nakaka-appreciate sa'yo, fire signs. May mga nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. Okay? What else? May nakukuha ko ditong visa. Energy ng visa. Mabibigyan ng visa. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah, the King of Swords. Oh. Some of you, ready na ba kayo dito? About relationship. Yeah. Pupunta na sa mas mataas na level ang inyong relasyon, kung sino man ito. Okay? The King of Swords. Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Yeah, this is commitments. Some of you, may mga tatanggapin kayong commitment. So, yun na lang, in general. May mga commitments. May mga pipirmahan kayo. Ganyan. Okay? See? The Page of Pentacles. It's like, sabihin natin, kapag pumirma kayo, it's like a new beginning. Ayoko maging specific. Ayoko sabihin kasal. Oo. Or commitments. Okay, responsibilities. Yung iba is promotion. Okay? So, may mga kaakibat. Oo. Okay? So, yeah. The Nine of Pentacles. Energy ito ng pwedeng magiging okay pagdating sa pamemera. Yung iba. Okay? This is nice. This is nice. Some of you, there's someone thinking of you a lot. May mga nanghihinayang sa inyo. Opo, may mga nanghihinayang. Okay, someone from the past. I don't know why. Okay. Some of you, you're in a process of healing. Okay, nasa process ka na ng healing. Next is water signs. Okay. So, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, anong message for water signs? Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You can check your other signs po, ha? If you know your other signs, your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay, water signs. Let's see. Ano bang mensahe para sa'yo, water signs? The Two of Wands. Okay. May pag-iisip na pwedeng nagkokos ng delay. The Knight of Wands. Pagdating sa isang plano or sa isang action, some of you, ikaw itong nagdadalawang isip kung pwedeng may chance na lilipat ka ng bahay. Pero pagdadalawang isipan mo pa to. Or lilipat ka. In general, lilipat. Okay? Yeah, the Chariot. This is pwedeng merong kasamang travel. So, maybe, yung iba, may chance na magpalit na kaya ako ng sasakyan. Ay, wow. Magpalit na kaya ako. Parang ganun eh. Okay? Some of you, motor. Okay. What else? Water signs. Yeah, the Four of Swords. Who is thinking of you? Merong na-attract sa'yo. A fire sign, an air sign. They attracted. Pero they doesn't, give you an F. Wala silang ginagawa. Wala silang sinasabi. Yeah, see? The Queen of Cups. Antingin sa'yo ito, nababaitan sa'yo to. Cancer. Water signs. Ano ba tong langaw na ito? Ano tong Four of Swords? Yeah, see? The Ace of Cups. Merong nag-iisip sa'yo and yeah, meron silang emotion for you. Oh, some of them, they're obsessing over you. Wala nang ginawa to kundi mag-isip sa iyo. They're attracted. Someone na pwedeng malayo. Yeah. Pero tinatago nila eh. I don't know why ha. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nila tinatago to. Iba naman sa inyo, may chance na pwedeng may mag-o-offer ng connection. Pero kailangan mong pag-isipan maigi. Okay? Kailangan mong pag-isipan. What else for water signs? Yeah, see, the King of Cups. Oh. Someone is afraid, telling kung ano ba, or maging transparent pagdating sa emosyon. Okay, so what's with the King of Cups? The Six of Swords reversed. Ano ba yan? The Moon. Paulit-ulit na to. Kung sino man ito. Some of you have this, someone from the past going back. Coming back. Making a return. Okay? See? May makikipagbalikan sa inyo, water signs. Ha? And yes, gagawa kayo ng decision. And I think some of you, pababalikin mo talaga to. I-welcome mo. Pwedeng earth sign. Yeah. You have this soft spot. Oo, pagdating sa kanya eh. Marinig mo pa lang yung pangalan niya. Ay, talaga. Ayun, ganun. Narinig mo pa lang yung pangalan niya, kinikilig ka na. Parang ganun. Someone is in love, water sign. Someone malayo sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw ito kasi the King of Cups is water sign. Okay, pero yeah, pwedeng water sign din itong taong to. This is all about love. This is all about emotions and actions and thinking. Walang pera. Pero yes, kung gusto niyo pera, yeah. Some of you may chance na gagawa ng isang decision patungkol sa pera. Okay po. So there. Yeah. Okay, next. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, what's the tea? What's the tea? Oo. Okay. So, ano ba ang kailangang malaman ng mga earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? Okay. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yan ang hindi nyo dapat malimutan. Yes. Okay, earth signs. Okay, the 7 of Swords. What's with that? Diba? Oo. Anong meron dyan? Oh, the 4 of Wands. Okay. Be careful who you trust. May mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo na nakasuot lang din ng maskara, no? They're wearing a mask. Okay, some of them they're copying you, mirroring you, or maybe sabihin nating nakikigo with the flow with you. Andun yung energy ng plastic. Okay? Energy ng kaplastikan. Bakit nila ginagawa to? What's with the 7 of Swords? Money. The 9 of Pentacles in reversed. So, pwedeng may mga nakukuha sila sa'yo actually. Okay? May mga nakukuha sila sa'yo. Okay? The Page of Swords. Mayroong mga nakukuha itong mga to sa'yo. Yeah. Okay. I am channeling earth signs. Ang nakukuha ko dito, this is specific. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, ito siguro makakuha nito isa lang. Sana lahat. Meron ako dito nakikita na pwedeng merong bigla-bigla na lang bibigyan ng bahay. Okay? Bahay. Or something na pwedeng sabihin nating may papers. Okay? May papers. And hindi mo to alam. This is like a surprise. Okay? May mga tao rin na talagang gusto nila ng commitments pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Air, earth, fire. Yeah. What else for earth signs? Yeah, again, the Page of Swords. You have this energy na pwedeng may mga nakatingin sa'yo, may mga nanonood sa'yo. Okay, they find you someone who is so stable. Mga ganyan. Gusto ka palaging nakikita ng taong to. Ano meron dito sa Page of Swords? May mga nag-i-stalk sa inyo actually. Napaka-consistent ng stalker. I don't know kung ikaw yung nabasahan ko ng stalker. Energy. Page of Swords. Yeah. Nakikita ng tao kung gaano ka ka-success. I don't know. Pwedeng kung hindi man ikaw successful, ganun ang tingin sa'yo ng ibang tao. Okay? Ganun ang tingin nila. Buti pa si earth sign. Mga ganun Mga napapaganon yung mga taong nakatingin. Okay? You're getting a lot of attention, earth signs. You're getting a lot of attention. Okay? This is nice. Nakikita rin nila kung gaano ka consistent, persistent. Okay? Sa mga trabaho na ginagawa mo. Yeah. Some of you, ikaw itong ini-evaluate pagdating sa trabaho. And you deserve an award. You deserve a promotion for some of you. This is success. Okay? That is success. This is stability. Yeah. This is nice though. Nakakuha rin ako ng energy rito ng energy ng pwedeng may mabibigyan ng sasakyan. Okay, may mabibigyan ng sasakyan. Kasi you deserve that car or vehicle, kung ano man yan. Okay? Pinag-uusapan ka. Darating ang oras na pag-uusapan ka. Yung success na meron ka. Yes. Pero, yeah, sabihin natin may nakakakuha ng attention. Okay? May nakakakuha ng attention. I don't know kung sino. This is someone younger. The Page of Swords. The Judgment. Scorpio placement. They want to talk. I think this person, sabihin natin gusto na itong malaman kung ano bang meron pa sa'yo. Something na parang gusto lahat makita kung anong meron sa'yo. Anyway, what else for earth signs? The World in reversed. What's that? The World in reversed. The Emperor. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. The Eight of Pentacles. Energy po ito ng sabihin natin energy ng opportunity. Okay, some of you, ikaw itong parang makakakuha ng oportunidad sa ibang bansa. Yeah, the King of Wands. This is like managing. Okay, what's with the World in reverse? World in reverse, please. See? This is success. Victory. Yung may mga na-pending dito na promotion, matutuloy na to. Yeah, matutuloy na to. Ang dami namang naiinggit sa'yo. Oo, ang dami namang nababutt hurt. Yes. Maybe you're in this energy, the Emperor. Okay, some of you have this past person or may nagkaroon kayo ng past life connection maybe ng taong to, and I think some of them mag-i-step up sa kung anong sitwasyon meron kayo, and yeah, isa doon is pakikipag-reconcile ng taong to. Yeah. Pwedeng Aries, water, fixed signs. Taurus, Scorpio, Leo and Aqua. Okay, this is nice. Ang ganda naman ito. Oo, 4 of Wands, 6 of Wands, the Emperor. Kung makikita nyo to, medyo mahaba na kay Earth signs. So, yaan nyo, next time 2 minutes lang kay Earth signs. Wala, ang gaganda eh. Ang ganda at saka ang daming energy. Ganun talaga eh. Oo, kapag madaming energy, kailangan ko basahin syempre. This is nice. This is stability coming to you, Earth signs. Yeah, coming to you. Some of you, merong marriage. Ako nakikita rito. May imbitahan rin. Mga ganyan sa isang occasion. Awarding, mga ganyan. Anyway, this is mahaba na for you. And yeah, magaganda naman yung energy. So, get it. O claim it. No? So, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.